Okay, so look what I have here. Today we're gonna unbox my Glossybox for March, and I'm really excited. To be honest, I have no idea what's inside. I just know about the sneak peek they showed us on Instagram, which is the mascara and the primer. I literally have nothing on my face, and yeah, we're gonna try everything together. I'm really excited every single time this comes because it's all new products. Some of them I've never heard before, and some really good skin products I found in my last boxes. So let's try to unpack it. Okay, so I have 5 products here, and I really love the colors of it. Anyways, I'm gonna start with the first one, which is this primer right here. Is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer in Finishing Fix Ultra Prime by Fix and Rouge. I really love this packaging, like with pink and gold. And it says micro blurring, silicone free formula, blurs imperfections and banishes shine. Liquid blotting finish complex absorbs excess oil for sheer matte correction. Smooths skin and fixes foundation to keep complexion freshly flawless. Pore minimizing and anti-blemish action reduces skin impurities and breakout with daily wear. That's really cool. So it's like a primer and skincare at the same time. Let's try it. Oh, I really like the texture of it because it's not that... Oh, usually blurring primers have a different texture, at least the ones I tried. This one is more like a gel and feels really nice. I apply it mainly in the center of my face, and I'm looking that way because as usual I have the mirror there. It smells really nice. I don't know how to describe this now, but it's nice. Okay, I like it. Oh, it absorbs really quick and it doesn't have that really tacky feeling. Let's see. I'm not sure about the pore minimizing effect. I'm gonna apply my foundation to see what it looks like on top of this primer, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the other products. Okay, so I applied corrector, but then I forgot to tell you that this is the full size product, which is really good, and the price for it is £38, and I'm paying, I think I had a promotion actually, and I'm paying just £11 for my box, which is more than great. And also I just realized I can use the next product to apply my face because it is a sponge. It is by So Eco. I'm trying to read on this thing. It is by So Eco, again full size. It's £6, which is really good, and I'm kind of excited because I really wanted to change my sponge because mine is gross. This sponge is really cute. The color is like a minty green, very light, and seems really soft. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my fixing spray because I'm lazy to go and wet it, but usually you need to wet your sponges. Let's see what it says. Super soft and cruelty free, which is really great. Every single time I have a cruelty free product, I'm really excited. I was thinking about going cruelty free with all my products, but to do that I need to make sure I use all the non-cruelty free I have. But when I'm buying, I'm always making sure they are vegan and cruelty free. I'm not buying something that's not anymore. I'm trying to step back from that. This complexion sponge is perfect for flawless custom coverage with liquid foundations. The sponge was rounded, sided to blend large areas of the face. The precision tip helps to cover blemishes and imperfections. Used with water for effortless blending. Packaging used across the So Eco range is made from materials that are ethically sourced, compostable, recyclable and biodegradable. That's really good. So yeah, as I said, you're supposed to wear it, but I didn't. Pretty sure it's gonna expand when you properly wear it under your sink, I was trying to say. Let's use the sponge. Oh, I swear to God, like nothing feels better than using a new sponge. If I show you my other sponge, you'll be like, when is the last time you washed it? I was washing it all the time, but after a while, you know, it stains and it looks gross. Okay, so my battery is flashing at me and I have a feeling I'm not gonna finish this in one go. But the next product is the Nourishing Mascara, volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil by Botanic Beauty. The packaging is the most cute thing I've ever seen. I'm tempted not to bin this box. But yeah, this was one of the sneak peeks along with the primer. And I've seen really good things about it. The packaging is like this really cute color. I like it. Let's apply it now. Oh, I like the brush. The brush looks like this. I really like the brush because it's separating my lashes. You know those brushes that take too much product and then at the end your lashes are stuck together? Okay, so that's one coat. I really like it. It's not the most lengthening one, but it is definitely volumizing. I mean, it doesn't even say it's lengthening. And then I'm gonna apply 2 more coats, I think. I'm gonna come back to show you. Okay, so I zoomed in so you can see the mascara. I really like it. It is actually volumizing, just like it says. I like the way it separates my lashes. So yeah, this is a yes for me. And the price for it, this is the full size one and it's £15.50. Not bad at all. Let's... okay. Now the next product is a nail polish. I already have my nails done, but I'm gonna try it because I like this color. This is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink, London, shade Palace Gardens. It's really nice. I will therefore apply it on my nails, and if I have a photo I'm gonna insert it here so you can see the color. This product is £11 and it is again a full size product. I'm sorry, but this is incredible. I don't know how they do it, but this is incredible. And the last product I have, I'm gonna read from this thing. So it is a Lucky Dip by NYX Professional Makeup. It is a lip product they have. They all start from £4. You can get a full size or a deluxe size. Mine, it is definitely a full size product, and it is the NYX lip liner in shade Nebula, which is this really maroon dark burgundy color that I'm gonna apply all over my lips as a lipstick, because I do that all the time with the lip liners I have, and I know the NYX lip liners are really good, so let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it so you can see. Oh, it is a really dark purple, it's not burgundy. I love it. It's really creamy, I can already tell. My lips are really dry and you're gonna see that, but my application is not exactly perfect, but I really love this color. It is really creamy. The pencil is really creamy, not the color. But yeah, it's not the most opaque lip liner. You can definitely use it like this if you apply it properly, but with a lipstick it would be great. So these were all the products I really love, and while doing this video and applying my makeup I realized right here where I applied the primer first, it's really smooth. So next time I'm gonna probably apply not just the center of my face, I'm gonna make sure it's everywhere because it's really smooth right here. I'm gonna wait to see how my not foundation but my face makeup lasts. I really like the mascara as well. It's really volumizing. Then the lip product I've already told you is really creamy. It is a nice color, and with the perfect lipstick you're gonna love it. Then the nail polish I'm going to try later on, and I'm gonna insert photos, but I definitely love this color. And then the sponge, I have nothing bad to say about the sponge, and I can't wait to wet it and use it properly, because right now I'm being lazy and I've been lazy all the time. I'm really happy with my box. I think it is amazing what they're doing with 5 products for just £11 when I got all full size products. And I know sometimes, if not most of the times, they have a promotion. I'm paying £11 a month for everything. So yeah, this is really nice. I love everything I got, and I love this box in particular because it has all makeupy stuff and I'm really into that. So if you're subscribed to their service, please let me know if you like this box this month, and also what lucky dip you got, as in what NYX lip product you got in your box. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.